Financial education for beginners is very important. You don't need to be rocket scientist to understand money, and you don't have to be financial expert to experience the benefits of financial knowledge. In fact, anyone can learn finance for beginners in order to handle their money better. Learning the basics of money can help you avoid financial problems, reach your goals, and increase your quality of life. The sooner you start gaining basic financial skills, the sooner you will experience the benefits. Once you have better understanding of basic financial concepts, you will be able to create budgeting and financial plan for your future. According to National Financial Capability Study conducted by Financial Industry Regulatory Authority (FINRA), Investor Education Foundation, Americans demonstrate relatively low level of financial literacy and have difficulty applying financial decision-making skills to real-life situations. When they ask participants from around the country 5 basic personal financial questions, over 66% could not get more than 3 of the financial questions right. The same survey shows that over 46% of people do not have enough money to save for their financial emergencies. Where do you stand? If you want to learn how to become financially educated, this video is for you. Here is how to start building your basic financial education guide for beginners to start building and improving your money knowledge. Basic financial education is your knowledge and understanding of money. It's your ability to recognize, understand, explain, and apply fundamental areas of personal finance. Education in finance also means having confidence with and knowing the value of the money. Learning about money means knowing and accomplishing everyday money management like paying bills on time, managing the money you make, and saving for your retirement. It also knowing the difference between need and want, like roof over your head versus your 20th pair of the boots. So you need to understand that the money you are spending, it is for your roof on your head, or it is the 20th boot you are buying of a big brand which was not need but just a want. Some of those fundamental areas of personal finance include making or earning money, saving money, building an emergency fund, budgeting, money management, net worth, credit and debts, tax, insurance, investing, understanding compound interest. So you must understand what is importance of financial education. Money does not buy you happiness, but it can make your life less stressful and more fun. When you don't have money, even the smallest problem become a financial crisis. On other side, when you do have money, it makes life easy and life does not become a problem. And when issues do come up, because they will, money makes them more manageable and less expensive to solve. You need to understand money to make smart decisions that will help you in life, not hurt you. The blues great B.B. King once said, "The beautiful thing about learning is that nobody can take it away from you." Learning about money is no different. Once you have it, the knowledge is yours. Use it in any way, shape or form. According to Rand American Life Plan, the gender gap in financial education can be caused by the factors such as education, marital status, income. Seeking out professional financial advice is a way to close the gender gap when it comes to financial education skills. And here we will teach you everything. So what are the most benefits of financial education? The most significant benefit of financial education is financial security. With education and experience with money, you are able to secure your financial future. It gives you financial freedom. Financial freedom is when you can do what you want, where you want, and when you want, because you have the money to do it, so you can do it. Your understanding of money allows you to have control over your quality of life. It can help you save and invest your earnings to build wealth. Financial education can also prepare you for opportunities like tax returns and inheritance. Education in finance can help you develop things like emergency savings, proper insurance, debt reduction and eliminations, retirement savings, follow opportunities, retirement planning, reach life goals, help others. The problem with our society is when it comes to financial literacy, financial education in schools is a state decision. So it's up to individual states to add financial knowledge to the curriculum. Second, teachers may not be qualified to teach financial concepts since that would require additional training or bringing in a financial professional. Third, financial education is not considered a priority. Personal finance management is another subject to add to the school curriculum, so it often gets put on the back burner. So question is how you can develop financial education for yourself as an individual. Use every available resource you have to learn financial management and education. Preferably use free resources first, but there are also some low cost options. You want to find a reputable source to get your financial education from. As a financial coach, one of my favorite free financial education resources was created by the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas. As a financial coach, one of my favorite free financial education system is YouTube and internet. Plus also my school education is related to business management, so therefore I decided to make videos and share with people to give people financial education. So maybe this charity would help when I will stand front of God. So what I will teach you in free: building wealth, goal setting, managing your income, budgeting, saving, investing, building credit, managing debt, protecting your wealth, and many more things related to finance and other things. But you can also use newspaper or your closest financial education school, or maybe some your financial expert teacher from where you can get free education. If you don't have access to all of this, then do consider to subscribe this channel, because I am going to teach you and make you an intelligent money manager for almost absolutely free. So what would be effect of being financially illiterate? Being financially illiterate can have negative impacts on your life and finances. Lack of financial knowledge can lead to poor financial decisions that have long-term consequences. Being financially illiterate affects millions and billions of people around the globe. According to National Financial Educator Council, National Finance Education Test results that average score on financial education exam is only 63.17%. They also have found that over 42% of high school students can't pass the financial education test, and these numbers are just from USA. The most significant effect of financial illiteracy are cycle of debt, lack of emergency savings, and not investing for the future. Without financial education, you may not be paying your bills on time or saving for unexpected, which can cause you overall financial instability. Financial illiteracy can also cause stress that can impact your health, relationships, and your mindset. So the effects of financial illiteracy are far and wide. So how can you solve these all problems, and what is the solution for this? You can reduce the negative effects of financial illiteracy by seeking out financial education, read financial books, find personal financial resources, or talk to a financial professional. Once you have the knowledge, you can grow your money by applying and practicing what you will learn. For example, you can start budgeting and saving money for emergencies. But the most important thing is, getting schooled up on money does not mean you memorize bunch of financial terms and definitions. Financial education is having the knowledge, yes, but more about being able to apply it. Before you begin the journey on money education, think about the personal financial topics you want to learn about. Do you need to know how to build up your emergency savings, budget, or about invest? Those will be good starting points for your learning. Another very important question: when should you start financial education? The sooner you can learn about money, the better. You know the saying, knowledge is power. Well, when it comes to money knowledge, it couldn't be more true. The more you learn, the more you know, and more you know about money, the better off you will be. The younger you can start developing your money education, the quicker you will have financial freedom. Learning financial principles young will also help you avoid developing bad habits and costly mistakes. Even if you didn't start on financial learning path early, there is no time like the present. There is a Chinese proverb that says the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Don't let the fact that you are starting little later than you wanted to drag you down. Just begin. So if you are ready to learn and educate yourself, and you want to make yourself financially free, then I am going to make a basic financial education course, which is I am going to share on my channel absolutely free. You just have to subscribe and comment if you want it. Take care. See you later.